Hello. Chinese humanoid robot company Dataa Robotics, previously known as Cloud Mines, generated a lot of attention on Chinese social media in April. Reports claimed that the company was on the verge of shutdown after closing its offices, laying off workers, and failing to pay employees. In response, Data called the reports rumors, saying it was undergoing a restructuring. In mid-April, it announced a new partnership with a Hong Kong-listed company to establish a joint venture. Could this be the last hope for Data? Facing the online speculations, the company issued a statement saying that its core team is stable, the business direction is clear, and the technological research and development and commercialization are progressing smoothly. It also said the adjustments to personnel and offices are just normal business operations. The claims of shutdown, deserted, or financial collapse are seriously inconsistent with the facts, and they are just malicious fabrications and misrepresentations. Now let's look at the history of Dataa Robotics. The company was founded in 2015 in Irvine, California by Huang, an expert from China Mobile Research Institution. Cloud Mines attracted an internationally diverse set of investors, including Foxconn, SoftBank, and World Venture Investments. But in 2020, it was added to the U.S. entity list over security concerns. Then the rebranded Dataa moved its headquarters to Shanghai. In total, the company raised over 5 billion yuan and was previously valued at 20 billion yuan, or about $3 billion US. Dataa Robotics offers a cloud robot architecture based on the version that Cloud AI is the future of intelligent robots, and launched the Helix Cloud AI Robotic Operating System. This system was recognized as the National Innovation Platform for the new generation of artificial intelligence and cloud robot by the Ministry of Science and Technology in China. In 2024, Dataa received several industry recognitions, including the 2024 Shanghai Top 100 Hardcore Technology Enterprises list, the Forbes China Top 15 AI Enterprises, and the 2024 Humanoid Robot with the most investment value list. So everything sounds impressive so far, right? Despite these awards and recognitions, the company ran into trouble in early 2024. Data's workforce shrank to about 150 people, a significant drop from its peak of 800 employees. So why the crisis? According to Jiemian News, Huang reflected that the biggest mistake he made was failing to quickly generate revenue and not focusing on truly profitable activities. In the early days, the company pursued a wide range of robot categories, developing 6 product lines: humanoid robots, surface robots for delivery, inspection, and cleaning, and robots for special outdoor operations, smart hardware, cloud-based AI system, and smart flexible joints. This quite aggressive expansion consumed a considerable amount of funding. After last year's downsizing, Huang said, the company has eliminated 5 product lines and retained only the humanoid robot production line. On April 14, it announced a cooperation with a Hong Kong-listed company, China-based Group Holding Limited, or Guohua in Chinese, to form a joint venture company called HK Robotics. So why this JV? The group is principally engaged in international air and sea freight forwarding. The group has undergone a series of transformations in recent years to diversify its business scope to digital-oriented service in order to counter the challenges in the real estate market. Also changed its name to the Hong Kong Robotics Group Holding Limited, reflecting a shift of its development priorities. So under the agreement between the two companies, they will hold 51% and 49% of interest in the joint venture, Hong Kong Robotics. This company will also establish a wholly owned subsidiary in the Chinese mainland called HK Robotics PRC. China-based group will assist the JV company to raise funds for developing products. Dataa will license its intellectual properties to this wholly owned subsidiary in the Chinese mainland, including over 1,800 patents. There are also application plans announced. HK Robotics was said to have reached an agreement with Haiyong Town in Haimen District, Nantong City, to jointly construct the Healthcare and Wellness Demonstration Park project. This project is expected to serve 1,200 to 1,500 households with the needs for healthcare, about 3,000 people. HK Robotics is also working with a company in Ningbo to form a joint venture in AI educational products. But importantly, Dataa needs to prove its value of the core assets before receiving funding. So there are basically three requirements. First, the grant of a license, the completion of transfer of intellectual properties, as well as business development progress. For example, HK Robotics will achieve at least 500 million yuan in revenue in 2025 and 1 billion yuan in 2026. Let's just hope Dataa Robotics can navigate these challenges by downsizing, focusing on the field of humanoid robot, and prioritizing the practical applications. That's all for this episode. Thank you.